Want to recreate that dreamy, nostalgic echo effect you've seen in the TikTok memory trend videos? In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to do exactly that using CapCut. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add that signature echo sound to your clips, perfect for giving your memories that cinematic, heartfelt vibe and catching attention on social media. Let's jump straight in and get started. First up, you'll want to import your media into CapCut. This could be a video clip, audio track, or even a voice recording. Whatever fits the story you're telling. Just open CapCut, create a new project, and bring in your file by either dragging it onto the timeline or selecting it from your files. Once it's on the timeline, you can see your clip laid out. This step is a bit like setting up your canvas before painting. It's where all the magic will happen. Next, click on your clip in the timeline to select it. This might sound simple, but trust me, it's an important step. If you're working with multiple clips or layers, make sure you've got the right one highlighted. Only the selected clip will be edited, so take a quick moment to confirm before moving on. Now, look to the right side of your CapCut workspace for the editing panel. You'll want to open the Audio tab. If this is your first time exploring these controls, don't worry. The Audio tab is where you access all sorts of cool sound effects and enhancements that can take your video to the next level. It's a bit like opening up a toolbox full of new gadgets you might not have known about. Within the Audio tab, you'll find an option called Voice Changer. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll discover a range of preset effects designed to tweak how your voice, music, or sound comes through on your video. Think of Voice Changer as your sound wardrobe. And today, we're picking something extra special. Scroll through the voice effects until you spot Echo. This is the key ingredient for the TikTok memory trend. Apply the echo effect simply by selecting it. Instantly, you'll notice how your audio gains that atmospheric, reverberating quality that feels both nostalgic and cinematic. It's a subtle way to make simple moments feel huge, like voices echoing in a big, empty hall. Here's where you can personalize things even more. Adjust the quantity and strength sliders. The quantity slider lets you decide how many echo repetitions you want. More echoes make the memory feel further away or more surreal. Fewer echoes keep it closer and clearer. Try moving the slider back and forth so you can hear the difference. The strength slider controls how intense or bold the echo sounds. If you want just a hint of reverb, keep it low. If you want a dramatic, faraway sound that really stands out, push it up. Don't be afraid to experiment. Play around until it sounds just right. Sometimes finding your perfect effect takes a few tries. Once you've dialed in your settings, hit play to preview the clip. Listen carefully. Does the echo evoke the mood you're after? If it's not quite there, head back and tweak the sliders again. This part might take a few moments, especially if you're aiming for a specific emotional feel. Trust your ears and don't rush. Little adjustments can make a big difference. Finally, when you're satisfied with your sound, it's time to export your video. Just hit the export button, choose your settings, and let CapCut do its thing. In a minute, you'll have your new memory trend video, ready to share on TikTok or wherever you want your audience to feel that nostalgia. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need extra tips. Subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.